Okay, so when you will log in with the credentials, now you will see this screen. There are users and there is group also. So what we are going to do first is we are going to create a group. I created the groups, and it happened so that I didn't switched on my mic, so I had to again do it. So now English is already done. Fourth piece and fifth piece, both the English I have already completed. So now I will take up say fifth maths. So I will create that group now. So you have to click first on groups. I will click on groups here. We have to add one group. Okay, so it will ask you the details about the groups. Here we will require 2 teachers. Now first see here, this is the way you are going to go ahead. First I'll put next. Name of the group, the nomenclature, whatever nomenclature I have used, you also use the same nomenclature. It is fifth piece, this is how I have created the group, fifth piece. Now we want fifth piece as some specific subject, so I will write subject name in capital. So I have everywhere, I think I have just written th small and all other thing as capital. Fifth piece maths. Of course we can change this latter also. Description I am not writing, it is wasting time. So next owners. Now fifth owner of maths, I don't remember, but I will add Shobna first. She is the coordinator. So maths, I don't know who is there maths. इसका नाम डाले Lubna, maybe Lubna. I will write Lubna's name here as the second owner of the group. You can change it afterwards. Amruta, you know, fifth piece teachers. Then you have to press next here. Now group email address. See, actually I should have done it for the other groups or teams also, but I didn't do that, and after doing Moshi I realized. So now after that I have started doing CPSN as N stands for Nigdi. Dot is after dot we will write fifth. So fifth I am writing with 5, not Roman. Fifth what it is, piece, 5 piece dash. Now I have created maths. So maths, this becomes the email ID for that group. It will take time to get this next activated, so you'll have to wait for some time. Yes, now it's on. Go to next. Now create. So the group is now created. Simple steps, very simple steps. For this only you need to know 2 teachers, which we have to make them as owners of that group. So it is happening still, it is going on. Yes, now it is created. You can see whatever is there here. I will not scroll just now, I'll just close. The group is created. Now what we have to do, after creating the group, we have to add the members in it. So we will go to users. Now the second step is go to users, click on active users. Now we want only those students who are there in fifth piece, right? Because all are there for maths. So what I am going to do is, from this 1000 plus student, 1500 plus students, I will have to select only those students. So I will use filter. I will use new filter. In new filter I'll just give the name as fifth. I think I've made that group, but still I'll made this fifth, and I will write the department as whatever was there in Excel which was given to me. So department, I had asked you, Amruta, to put the standard, right? To standard and division. So in department it is fifth piece. Add. Now when I write this filter gets created. The view, this name is already existing. That is what actually I have made that fifth wala filter. You can see I have made that earlier. So I will edit this now. So I will edit that filter. Same thing you will have to do. What I have done was fifth, I will keep it constant and I'll keep on changing fifth piece, fifth hope, whatever, love. So now here fifth piece, I will just save. I have to apply that, so it is already there. So fifth piece, once you create it for one subject, you can use the same filter for creating all other groups also. So I have already created, you can apply same. Now once all those students are here and near display, you will see this. Once you take your cursor there, only you will see this circle. Click on that, go to these three dots, then go to manage groups. See, now you'll understand why I have created the group first. Now here you will see the group which we have created, which was maths. So it is, yeah, fifth piece. Okay, this is how I have created the earlier. I will have to change this. I don't remember now. Okay, so now I will save it. So all those students which I had selected here have been now transferred to this group. It takes time. Group members are updated. I will close. Now see this group, why we have created group, I'll tell you. Again I will go to group and I will just tell you like why it was necessary to create group. Because this is a very easier way to create the team. If I go to group now, and the group which I had created just now was fifth piece, right, maths. I'll click on this and you will see what are the other things which it will show here. It is the members. If you click, you will see all the members which are there, total 37 members, right? These two are the owners. Setting, you need not go. If you want to change the name, we can go to setting and change the name. Just now I will not show that you can do. Microsoft team, you will see now Microsoft team. Go to this Microsoft team admin center. It will automatically take you to the admin center of that team. Directly also you can go admin.teams.microsoft here in the address bar if you check. So it is getting loaded. So once I'll just refresh it and you will see that group which I had created, automatically it gets transferred to team. So this is how it is very easy to create a team than a channel. So that is why I felt that instead of creating a channel, we'll go for team. Yes, see now, manage team. Where is it? Fourth. Just follow the this song, the nomenclature which I have done here. I am doing it after some time, so now I have forgotten. Where can you see it here? Fifth piece, maths. See, these students, these teachers have started creating the teams. Now we'll have to delete. You just have to check like how they can create the team. Alright. Can you see it anywhere? I have to otherwise reload it, because that also it takes time to get reflected here. Fifth piece maths, dikha na. This is 37. Okay, so now team is created. So now I'll stop.